What's up, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial on introduction to Corel Draw. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Corel X7 as the version X7 for the tutorial, and I believe most of us should have that. And in case you have S13 or other versions of your system, don't worry, it's the same thing. We have the same tools on those version. You just have to follow me diligently so that you can understand everything I'm going to be telling you here. So let me launch that. Okay, this is the Corel 7 interface. We have the new document, we have new from template and all that. But before we go deep, let me just open a new document so I can introduce you to the interface of the Corel. So I'm trying to create a new document. So this is my interface. So let me go to this place and show you the Corel interface here. So this is the Corel interface. We have the property bar, which is where you have the name of the Corel and the title of your document. You have the toolbox where you have your tools here. Then the graphics page. Note that this graphics page, that's the page in which Corel prepare for you to execute your work. If you should do any work outside this page and you save, you're just saving on your own, because if you are trying to export an image like that, you won't be seeing anything, or you want to print it out, it won't be showing anything. You must make sure that the work you are doing is on this particular page. Okay, now we have our color palette, then we have our ruler here. The ruler is just for us to guide our work, so we won't be working out of contest. So let's go back to Corel. I'm looking for my mouse. Wow. Okay, I've seen it. So we're back to Corel Draw. So like I said, this is our tool box, right? So what I'm going to do basically today is that I just want to introduce us to the basic tools on Corel Draw. So in my next tutorial, I'll be showing other things. We'll be going deep, but today I just want to introduce the basic one, the basic tools in Corel Draw. Now we have the shape tool here. We have we have the pick tool. That's the number one tool. Sorry. Then we have the shape tool. We have the crop. We have the zoom tool. We have the freehand tool. We have the artistic media tools. We have the rectangular. All these tools here, they have their own work. You understand? It depends on what you are doing. Depending on what you are doing. So let's just try to do something here today. Try to do something here. I just want to draw a simple box. So using my rectangular tool. So for me to draw a box, I need to click on the rectangular tool, then click and draw. Understand? Now I have my rectangle. If you look at my mouse, you can see that my mouse has already changed. The icon there has already changed to a cross sign and a rectangle. So if I want to deselect this, I will just go back to my pick tool and click on the pick tool. Can you now see the work of pick tool and the work of rectangular tool? You understand? Now followed by Eclipse tool. You can use the Eclipse to draw an eclipse. You can also use to draw a perfect circle. Now let me help you with that. If you are drawing a perfect circle on Corel Draw, what you just have to do, not to stress yourself, is just to click on your control key, then drag with your left click. You have a perfect you have a perfect circle. Also the same thing for let's go back to our pick tool. The same thing for the rectangle tool. If you want to draw a perfect square, just click on your control key, then you drag. You have a perfect square. I believe you are following me. So we have a lot of tools here that I created an ebook this year on introduction to Corel Draw. In the ebook you will see a lot of things that I'm saying here, and it will be very easy for you to follow. I don't want to take much of our time here. These are the tools here. I explain each of them one by one in the ebook. I called it introduction to Corel Draw. As you can see here, object pick tool, shape tool, knife. I explain each and every tools here. I can't be doing that on the video here because of our time. So what else do I need to talk about here? The text tool. You click on the text to use that to write. I don't know if I have done proper introductions here before. Let me use this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Emmanuel ADE. I'm a graphic designer. I also design websites. I'm a branding expert. So this is my name. I use the text tool to write this, and I can easily change the font for this. I can change the font. I can change the size by clicking here. I can also drag to change the size like I did the other time. Either I drag or I come here to change my size. Either of the two, we are doing the same thing. So this is my name. So let's just imagine I want to put those titles that I mentioned earlier. So I'll click on my text tool again, then write graphics here. Graphics designer. Graphic designer. We have website designer. So I have a mistake there. So branding expert. So in case of this mistake, if I want to correct it, I just have to right click on it. I'll see designer here. Okay, there's no designer here. Can you see? Automatically I've corrected the stuff. So this is my title. So the tab is there. Let me just reduce the size of this, or just come here and give it 12. So now let me introduce you to the zoom button. This is our zoom button here. And it's really easy to zoom whatever you are doing here. So as you can see, this is everything I've written. Emmanuel ADE, graphic designer, website designer, branding expert. I can easily change my font here to one of my favorite fonts, to Calibre. So can you see that? Emmanuel ADE, graphic designer, website designer, branding expert. This is my text tool. Now that is that on that, and I can easily give it this a background of let me just create a blue background. Just a picture of my rectangle on it, and give this a color. So you can just give it any color. Give the shape a color, blue color. As you can see now, I can't see my text again. Do you know what caused it? There is something called page up and page down on Corel Draw. This text here, this object here, is on top of the text that I have under. So if I want my text to show, I will just have to push this my object to the back. And how can I do that? I just have to click on my control on my page down. Can you see that I have my text? So I'm just going to change this to white, so you can see it very well. You see the name. That is that and that. So what I'll just advise you to do, guys, is that try to message me. My number is on this. I will show you my number now. So it's on this ebook. Try to message me so you can get the ebook. I don't want to take much of your time on this tutorial, but I just want you to know that Corel Draw is not a difficult software to use. It just requires your creativity and your consistency. I used to say something that consistency is the key to excellence. If you are consistent with anything in life, you achieve excellence. Just a matter of time. So I call this ebook Corel Draw for Beginner, Corel for Beginner. So if you want to get it, you can just message me on my WhatsApp using this number here, 090356895. So I'll send you the ebook so that you can go through them and understand the basic tools on Corel Draw, and also be able to use those tools to create nice and perfect graphics. Thank you very much for your time. I remain my humble self, Emmanuel ADE. Thank you very much.